Hi, I'm Anthony from Car Candy. Today we're going to be using Car Candy 𝗙𝗹𝗖 High Gloss Slingless Tire Shine. This product is solvent based but does contain silicone, so is not recommended in body shops. Let's go ahead and get the application going. When applying 𝗙𝗹𝗖, we recommend that you apply it using an applicator. After applying 𝗙𝗹𝗖 to this tire, it's always a good practice to go ahead and wipe the tire down in case there's any pulling going on, which will prevent any sling from occurring when the vehicle is being driven. Thank you for watching our video on Car Candy's 𝗙𝗹𝗖 Slingless Tire Shine. If you want to know more or to order the product, visit us online. Be sure to check out our social media.